welcome today to a new video. So guys, I think this has to be like one of the most frequently asked a video from you guys. I know so many of you guys are curious about my jewelry wish list. So I thought I would take a moment to just kind of like share with you guys what my jewelry wish list actually is. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the brands and the item of the brands that are on my wish list. Now, I have to be completely frank with you guys. If you guys don't know my channel yet, I'm an absolute jewelry lover. So if you can literally make me happy with anything, it's jewelry. Anything out of fashion, I would say. And jewelry is like on my top list, and then maybe bags and clothes and shoes and things like that. So I'm really fascinated with jewelry. I love them so much. So it might not come like as a surprise that my jewelry wish list is quite long. But I decided that I'm just going to share my top priority or the top things that are on my wish list in this video, because otherwise we're going to be sitting here for a really long time. So let's start off with the first brand that I absolutely love and that are still things that are on my jewelry wish list. And I'm going to start off with Cartier. And one of those is the Juste Clou choker necklace, and it has like a small diamond in the nail head. Now, the first time I saw this, I think it was like on Meghan Markle or something, and I was like blown away with the aesthetic of it. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful. And from that moment on, it went on my wish list. Now, I have to say, like, even if I have like all these things on my wish list, doesn't mean that I'm going to buy them all. Doesn't mean that I'm going to end up with them, but there are on my wish list. So take that into consideration. So however I saw this, I fell deeply in love with it and I tried it on, and I still think it's really beautiful. The only reason why I haven't like pulled the trigger on this one yet is because I feel like it's just like a special occasion necklace, and I'd rather first buy things that, you know, I could wear like on a daily basis first instead of buying like for special occasions, because I don't have like many of those occasions to go through. So that's why like this is a necklace that is on my wish list, but I'm not sure if I'm ever going to pull on that trigger to buy it. So the next two items that I have on my wish list are two beautiful earrings that I also tried on from Cartier, and I really like them. And one of them is like the small Cartier hoops that I tried on. I feel like they're so classic and so cute, and especially because they're small, I feel like I can pull them off better. And the other one is the, I think it's called the Intensitel hoop earring from Cartier, and it is like a small hoop earring that is full pavé. And the moment that I tried it on, it was like so classic, so chic and adorable that it immediately went on my wish list. So these are kind of like two items that I'm still doubting to buy, because I'm like super happy with the earrings that I have now. I don't have to baby them, I don't have to worry about them, but I feel like it would be great to switch up with earrings just for the variety of it. So that's why those two are on my wish list. Now, the last item from Cartier that is on my wish list, and I think that most of you guys already know that, especially if you've seen my unboxing video of the Perlé, this one, bracelet from Cleef Arpels. You guys know that I've been doubting between buying this one or the full pavé bracelet from Cartier, and I ended up buying this one, and I absolutely love it. I'm so happy that I bought this one, but still the other one is still like on my mind, and I think it's such a beautiful bracelet. So that one is still on my wish list, and I'm not sure if I'm ever going to be able to buy it or be in that position again, but if it is, it would be like really amazing, because it is such a beautiful, classic, timeless bracelet that I would absolutely love to own. So the next brand that I'm going to jump off to is also one of like, I think my favorite brands, and it's really a Dutch based jewelry store, and it's called Wouter and Hendrix. Now, this is also like where I've got like some of my pieces from, and if you guys know my channel, then you know that I really love this brand. So one thing that I would really love to get from this brand still is like these two necklaces, and they're worn as a set. So you have like one that has like a big coin on it, and then it also has like this small pearl, And I tried it on and it was like so cute, so beautiful, and it gives me like a little bit of boho summery vibes. And I really, really like that. And I also like the fact that it does has a pearl, and there is something about pearls that I really find elegant and so cute. It might be like the Pisces in me, but I really find that to be amazing. So this is definitely a necklace, and it has been like on my jewelry wish list, I think for 2 years now, or maybe even longer, but it's still something that I often think about, and it's still there on my jewelry wish list. And yeah, I definitely love it. Now, from another unknown brand that is also Dutch based, it's called BB van der Velden. And I accidentally actually bumped up to her Instagram and I saw some of her jewelry pieces. And I just fell in love with the jewelry pieces that she has. Now, it might be like something for you, it might not be anything for you, but she really makes beautiful pieces that incorporates animals and things like that. And that is something that I was always kind of like drawn to. I think like that is the reason why I really love this elephant pendant as well. But she mostly focuses on crocodiles, apes, and things like that. And she also incorporates a lot of sea and a lot of nature into her designs. And I think they're absolutely beautiful. They're a piece of statement, and it just brings something that is completely different to my jewelry collection. So one of the pieces that I've been thinking of buying from BB van der Velden is actually one of the crocodiles bracelet or earrings, because I think they're just like really stunning, and I like the fact that she combines the gold and then certain gemstones with a design. So I'm absolutely fond of that. And also, one of the things that I absolutely adore about it is that she has like this family collection in which you can design like a necklace and then add certain tigers into your necklace representing your kids. So it's kind of like a family tree design. And I think that is what makes jewelry pieces so amazing, if you can kind of like make it your own and have like some thoughts and memory and things about them. That is what gives, I feel like, jewelry pieces that extra that is so amazing. So this is definitely one of the pieces that is on my wish list, but it is also very steep in price. So it would not be like something that I would buy like on the short term, but it's definitely something that I've been thinking about, because it is so beautiful to have something that I could also maybe pass on to my daughter, and you know, kind of like give it something for in the future. Like, I think that's really beautiful. So that has definitely been like on top of my wish list. So you guys, the last brand that I'm going to talk about, and this one is, I think, like one of my favorite brands of all, and that is from Cleef Arpels. And I think you guys know it because I already own so much pieces of this brand, but I'm super obsessed with this brand. And I think it's because the way they combine gemstones within their design, I find it to be very beautiful. And you can see also I'm very drawn to that, because I'm also drawn to that BB van der Velden kind of like incorporating gemstones into their jewelry pieces. So Van Cleef Arpels, and I think I already, as I said, like I own a couple of pieces and I really love them, but there are certain pieces that are still like lingering on my mind because I find them so beautiful. So one of them has to be this bracelet. It's the rose gold bracelet with diamonds with gray mother of pearl. Now I tried it on when I was in Paris. I went there to buy this beautiful bracelet, and I ended up trying that one, and it was like so beautiful. I just love it. And I love the gray mother of pearl because it's just something completely different than I have in my collection. And I think that would be like a really beautiful add-on to the pieces that I already have. Now, combined with that, I also saw, but I never tried it in real life, I saw the diamond earrings with also the gray mother of pearl. It's like really beautiful. I think it's stunning. It would require me, prior to buying, to try it on a couple of times and see if it is something that really speaks to me. But that is something that I absolutely love. And Also within that piece, I also tried the 20 motif necklace, which is definitely, I think, so steep in price, and it's so gorgeous. I tried it on, I fell in love with that whole design. And if I have to say like one of my favorite pieces, it would have to be like the 20 motif necklace with the rose gold and gray mother of pearl with diamonds. So gorgeous. Very high in price. But then again, it is something that is on my wish list and I really love it. The next rose gold piece that I have on my jewelry wish list, and this is something that I've been debating on whether or not to get, because I'm not sure, because this rose gold piece is a little bit less shiny compared to kind of like the other pieces from Cleef Arpels, but it is the sweet 6 motif Alhambra bracelet, and I've tried it on and it was kind of like a really fast try on, try off, and I'm not sure what I think about it, but I do feel like it's so cute, it's so sweet. It's such a cute bracelet to add on to kind of like your daily collection, that it would be like a beautiful piece to own. But that is also something that I'm not really sure of. I have to try it a couple of more times, like when I have the time to really think about it and look at it. I feel like that would give me like a great insight if it would still be like on my wish list or not. And in that same way, I also saw the 16 motif rose gold sweet Alhambra necklace, and I saw a couple of Instagrammers and also YouTubers that have this necklace, and I completely fell in love with it, even like prior for me knowing that it was from Cleef Arpels. And I love the fact that it's so casual, it's so dainty, it is so cute. I've never tried it on, so I'm not sure how it would look in real life, because they're very hard to come by. So if I ever get the chance to try it on, I would definitely like go like in a heartbeat to try it on. But since then it has been on my wish list, and this is like a really hard piece to get. I don't think that I would be owning anyone like really soon, but I still hope that I will get to try on one in the future, or maybe own one. So yeah, that is for the rose gold pieces. So the next pieces that I really love about Van Cleef & Arpels that I might be thinking of buying is the full diamond Alhambra yellow gold earrings. I think they're very beautiful. They're like in the vintage size, which makes them, I feel like, perfect for daily wear. And because there might be like full pavé, it might like just be like something that you can just clip in and leave it there and don't think about it. You can shower with it. And I feel like that would be like a great addition to my earring collection. I already have the malachite vintage earrings, and I feel like I don't wear those ones at all or that much, because I feel like they are so fragile, and also because of the color, I don't wear them as much maybe as I would do with like diamond earrings that are much more versatile and go with everything. And in that same range, I also like the pendant full diamond Alhambra vintage motif necklace in yellow gold. So I feel like these are like the pieces that are lingering on my mind from the Van Cleef & Arpels collection. As I said, I really love this collection. I think that's why there are like so many pieces that I would like to get or even try on to see like if they will stick on my wish list. But at least you guys know now what I've been thinking about and what is on my wish list. So I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comment box down below which pieces are on your wish list. I would be very much interested in knowing that. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!